Sending reports via email is common in many organizations. Whether it's daily, weekly, or monthly reports, it is a time-consuming task. Let us see how we can use Power Automate to send Power BI reports via email. This automation saves time and ensures your reports reach the right people whenever needed. With Power BI and Power Automate integration, you can set up triggers like a schedule or data changes to send reports directly via email. This way, reports are sent automatically without the need for manual intervention. Let's walk through how to build this automation using Power Automate. Step 1. Prepare your Power BI report. Here, we're using the project analysis report published under My Workspace in Power BI. Step 2. Open Power Automate and create a new flow. Choose a scheduled trigger if you want the report to go out daily, weekly, or monthly. Step 3. Add the action export to file for Power BI reports. Select the workspace, which is My Workspace. Report name here Project Analysis, and choose the output format, PDF. Step 4. Add the Send an Email action. For now, I'll keep my own email ID as the recipient just to test the flow and ensure it's working. Step 5. Attach the exported report file to the email. You can customize the subject line and body text as per your needs. Step 6. Save and test your flow. Once it runs successfully, you can update the recipients or add conditions to enhance the automation. Don't miss out on the opportunity to transform your data into actionable insights. Your learning journey doesn't have to end here. Subscribe now and explore more.